Oh, I saw it. I was just doing calisthenics. But while you're over here, we should take a look at all the sensors on the machine. Let's start on this side on the filler. Right here, we have our bowl level sensor that has a stem that goes almost all the way down to the bottom. We have our PRV. Over here, we have our CO2 in and our tank to atmosphere out. On the side of the tank, we have our temperature probe. And here is our bowl pressure sensor. Let's go around to the back. We got a couple sensors back there as well. Right here, I have my main air transducer, and on this side, I have my main CO2. And each one of my fill heads also has a pressure transducer running to it as well. 269. Okay, all right. Let's go through those seamer sensors. So the first sensor I got here is on the rail. This lets the machine know, hey, we got a can on the way. Let's go ahead and drop a lid. This sensor that is right in here is my lid jam sensor. This lets the machine know that lid made it down the chute. And then right here, my last one is my lid mist sensor. This lets the machine know, hey, that lid made it onto the can. Why don't you go ahead and seam that one? And then around to the back, we have here the last thing would be our encoder right there.